25 small businesses you can start in any country with small capital. A detailed guide for Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Introduction. Why small businesses matter. Many people across Africa, Canada, and immigrant communities worldwide feel stuck because they think they need lots of money to start a business. The truth is different. Most successful businesses began small, with simple ideas and consistent effort. This guide will walk you through 25 small business ideas that require low startup capital, can be done anywhere, and rely more on your effort than your money. Whether you're in Lagos, Toronto, or a new city abroad, there's something here for you. Let's get started. 1. Cleaning services. Cleaning is a timeless business. Everyone needs clean spaces, homes, offices, and venues. This makes cleaning a stable business with constant demand. What this business is all about. Offering cleaning services means you do tasks like sweeping, mopping, dusting, and sanitizing homes or offices. As you grow, you can offer deep cleaning, post-event cleanup, and even specialized cleaning like carpets or windows. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In African cities, busy professionals and offices outsource cleaning to save time. In Canada, Airbnb hosts, seniors, and families regularly hire cleaners. Immigrants often enter this field because it needs reliability more than language skills. Illustration. A young woman starts by cleaning a neighbor's house twice a week. Word spreads, she gains more clients, buys better supplies, and eventually hires 2 helpers. After 2 years, she manages cleaning contracts for several offices. 2. Small-scale food catering. Food brings people together, and catering allows you to earn from this daily necessity without a restaurant's high costs. What this business is all about. Small-scale catering involves preparing meals for small groups, office lunches, party trays, or weekend food orders. It can be home-based with deliveries or pickups. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, lunch deliveries to offices and catering for events are common. In Canada, ethnic foods and meal prep services are popular among busy families and students. Immigrants can leverage unique recipes from their culture to stand out. Illustration. A woman cooks Nigerian dishes and sells lunch packs to workers in an office complex. Her food is popular, and soon she receives orders for weekend parties. She grows by taking online orders. 3. Hair braiding, barbering. Hair care is a service everyone needs regularly, making it a dependable business option. What this business is all about. Hair braiding, cutting, styling, and wig installation can be done from home or at clients' homes. The startup requires basic tools and some skill development. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Hair braiding is very popular in African communities. In Canada, many cities have growing demand for ethnic hair services. Immigrants bring skills that are highly sought after. Illustration. A student braids hair from her living room on weekends. She builds a steady client list and eventually rents space in a salon. Later, she opens her own shop. 4. Laundry and ironing services. Many people don't have time or equipment to wash and iron clothes regularly, creating a market for this service. What this business is all about. Laundry services include washing, drying, ironing, and folding clothes. You can start by offering ironing only, then expand to full laundry as you acquire equipment. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, busy urban workers often outsource laundry. In Canada, students and families use laundry pickup drop-off services. Immigrants can start from home and scale. Illustration. A man begins by ironing office workers' clothes. His clients grow, and with profits, he buys washing machines. He eventually hires staff and serves multiple neighborhoods. 5. Phone accessory sales. Almost everyone owns a phone and frequently needs accessories. Quick returns. What this business is all about. Selling phone accessories like chargers, cases, screen protectors, and power banks. You can start small, selling in local markets or online. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In African markets, phone accessories sell daily. In Canada, online marketplaces and flea markets offer opportunities. Immigrants benefit from low startup cost and high demand. Illustration. A young man buys 20 phone cases, sells them at a local market, and reinvests profits to expand inventory to chargers and earphones. 6. Phone repair services. Phones often break, and repair services are in constant demand globally. What this business is all about. Repairing cracked screens, replacing batteries, fixing charging ports, and solving software problems. It requires learning technical skills, but has high earning potential. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, phone repair shops stay busy due to frequent damage. In Canada, repairs are costly, creating space for affordable providers. Immigrants can learn the trade through tutorials or apprenticeships. Illustration. A young apprentice learns repair skills online, practices on friends' phones, and starts charging small fees. Within a year, he opens a small repair kiosk. 7. Tutoring, home lessons. Education is a priority everywhere, and tutoring is a service many families invest in. What this business is all about: teaching academic subjects, exam preparation, or language lessons, in person or online. This business grows by reputation and results. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Parents in Africa often pay for extra lessons. In Canada, tutoring for English learners and homework help is in demand. Immigrants can leverage their knowledge in math, sciences, or languages. Illustration: a recent graduate tutors 3 students after school, then expands to group sessions and online classes. 8. Babysitting/childcare services. Reliable childcare is essential for working parents and in high demand.
What this business is all about: providing babysitting, after-school care, or home daycare services. Building trust is key to growing this business. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Families everywhere rely on trusted caregivers. Immigrants often start informally and later become licensed providers. Illustration: a babysitter gains trust with 2 families, then expands services to include weekend care and small daycare licensing. 9. Errand and personal assistant services. Busy lifestyles have created demand for personal assistants and errand runners. What this business is all about: running errands like grocery shopping, bill payments, courier services, and administrative tasks. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Professionals in African cities and seniors in Canada outsource errands. Immigrants can start solo and scale by hiring others. Illustration: a student runs errands part-time, builds a network, and later hires assistants to serve more clients. 10. Mini importation or reselling. Buying products in small quantities and reselling locally can be a simple and profitable business. What this business is all about: sourcing products like fashion accessories, household items, or gadgets at low prices and selling them for a profit. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Mini importation thrives in African markets. In Canada, online platforms make reselling easy. Immigrants often use this model to build steady income. Illustration: a reseller imports small batches of phone accessories and sells them through social media, growing to multiple product lines. 10. Snacks and baked goods. Everyone loves tasty snacks and baked treats. This business offers a delicious way to earn consistent income. What this business is all about: you prepare and sell snacks like cookies, donuts, pastries, and local delicacies. You can sell from home, at markets, or deliver to offices and events. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, street vendors and small shops thrive selling popular snacks.
Reach customers. Immigrants can stand out by offering cultural snacks. Illustration: a woman starts baking chin-chin and cupcakes at home. She sells to neighbors and local stores, then expands by catering small parties. 12. Thrift, secondhand, clothing sales. Affordable clothing is in demand everywhere, making thrift resale a lucrative business. What this business is all about: you buy secondhand clothes from wholesalers or donations, then clean, sort, and resell them at a profit. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Thrift clothes are highly popular in Africa, where imported items are common. In Canada, online resale of thrift items is growing fast. Immigrants benefit from low capital needs. Illustration: an entrepreneur buys clothes from a thrift store, cleans and styles them, then sells online or at local markets, growing a loyal customer base. 13. POS/mobile money agent. Financial transactions need facilitation, and POS/mobile money agents serve this vital role. What this business is all about: you provide services like cash withdrawals, mobile money transfers, and bill payments to people in your community. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, busy market areas are ideal for agents. In Canada, similar services are offered to immigrant communities needing remittance and bill payment support. Illustration: a kiosk owner offers mobile money services in a busy market, becoming a trusted financial point for locals. 14. Event rentals. Events require equipment, and renting items is a profitable niche. What this business is all about: you rent chairs, tables, canopies, sound systems, and decorations for weddings, parties, and community events. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Event rentals are in high demand everywhere. Immigrants can start with a few items and expand their inventory gradually. Illustration: a man purchases 20 chairs and a few canopies. He rents them out for weddings and community gatherings, reinvesting profits to buy more equipment.
15. Social media management. Businesses need help managing their online presence, opening doors for social media experts. What this business is all about: you manage social media accounts by creating content, posting regularly, responding to customers, and growing followers. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Small businesses in Africa and Canada often lack time or skills to handle social media. Immigrants with digital skills can fill this gap remotely. Illustration: a freelancer manages Facebook and Instagram pages for 3 local businesses, earning monthly retainers. 16. Basic graphic design. Visual content sells products and services, creating opportunities for designers. What this business is all about? You create simple logos, flyers, posters, and social media graphics using free or affordable tools. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Businesses everywhere need affordable designs. Learning tools like Canva or Adobe Spark is easy and opens doors. Illustration. A beginner designer offers logo and flyer design services, building a client base through referrals. 17. Photography, entry level. Capturing moments is valuable, and you don't need expensive gear to start. What this business is all about? You take photos for events, portraits, or content creation using a smartphone or basic camera. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Weddings, birthdays, and social media content require photographers. Immigrants can build reputation by delivering quality. Illustration. A phone photographer shoots family events, then invests in better equipment as income grows. 18. Manual tar wash. Car owners need clean vehicles, providing steady income opportunities. What this business is all about? You offer washing, vacuuming, and detailing services at a fixed location or as a mobile service.
Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, roadside car washes are common. In Canada, mobile services are popular in busy neighborhoods. Immigrants can start with minimal supplies. Illustration. A weekend car washer grows clientele by offering affordable and reliable service, eventually opening a full-service wash. 19. Gardening and lawn care. Outdoor maintenance is essential for homes and businesses, creating a profitable niche. What this business is all about? You provide grass cutting, hedge trimming, planting, and general yard cleanup services. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, estate and community maintenance demand is growing. In Canada, seasonal lawn care is a common service. Immigrants can secure contracts with local clients. Illustration. A gardener starts by mowing lawns in the neighborhood, builds trust, and lands contracts with residential estates. 20. Freelance writing or typing services. If you have good writing or typing skills, this business lets you earn from anywhere. What this business is all about? You create articles, blogs, CVs, business letters, or provide data entry services online or locally. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Online platforms have opened writing jobs globally. Immigrants with good language skills can take advantage of this flexible work. Illustration. A freelancer writes blog posts and CVs for clients worldwide, earning steady income and building a portfolio. 21. Delivery services. The growing need for convenience fuels demand for delivery services. What this business is all about? You deliver food, parcels, or documents locally using a bike, scooter, or on foot. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, bike couriers are common in cities. In Canada, local courier services are growing. Immigrants can start with flexible hours. Illustration. A delivery rider builds loyal customers by being punctual and careful, then expands to a team.
22. Soap or detergent production. Household cleaning products have daily demand, making this a steady business. What this business is all about? You manufacture soap, detergent, liquid soap, or air fresheners at a small scale and supply local shops or customers. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, small-scale soap making is common and profitable. In Canada, eco-friendly products are trending. Immigrants can use community networks for sales. Illustration. A woman starts making liquid soap at home, supplies neighbors and local stores, and reinvests profits to grow production. 23. Interior cleaning and organization. People and businesses want tidy, clutter-free spaces, creating demand for organization services. What this business is all about? You help declutter, organize wardrobes, cabinets, or offices, improving space usability. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. This is a growing niche in urban areas everywhere. Immigrants with good organizational skills can charge premium rates. Illustration. An organizer uses before and after photos on social media to build a client base and charges well for her services. 24. Digital products. Selling digital products allows you to create once and earn repeatedly. What this business is all about? You create ebooks, templates, checklists, or online courses and sell them through websites or social platforms. Africa, Canada, and immigrants. Digital products are scalable and have minimal overhead. Immigrants can sell knowledge globally. Illustration. A creator writes a guidebook and sells it online, generating passive income over months and years.
25. Reselling farm produce or groceries. Food and groceries are daily needs, and reselling locally can generate steady income. What this business is all about. You buy fresh farm produce or groceries wholesale and sell them in smaller quantities to local customers. Africa,
Canada, and immigrants. In Africa, local markets thrive on fresh produce. In Canada, ethnic groceries are in demand. Immigrants can serve niche communities. Illustration. A small trader buys vegetables in bulk from farmers and sells them in the neighborhood, growing to supply local stores. Final message. Starting small is not a weakness, it's a strength. Each of these businesses solves a real problem, needs minimal capital, and can grow with your effort and consistency. Pick one that fits your skills and situation. Start today. Build steadily. Your financial story can change, one step at a time.